Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Wabi-Sabi Serenity, a description of the Wabi-Sabi living room. The Wabi-Sabi living room embodies a minimalist aesthetic that celebrates the beauty of imperfection and natural materials. It's a space designed for tranquility and connection with nature. Here's what defines this unique style. Embrace simplicity, minimalist furniture. Opt for clean lines and uncluttered furniture arrangements. Think low-profile sofas, simple coffee tables, and accent pieces that prioritize functionality over ornamentation. Focus on essentials, declutter and prioritize items that spark joy and hold meaning. Display heirlooms, handcrafted pieces, or artwork that resonates with you. Embrace open space. Promote a sense of spaciousness through an open floor plan and minimal furniture placement. This allows for natural light to flow freely and creates a sense of calm. Natural materials reign supreme. Earthy color palette. Opt for a neutral color scheme with muted tones like beige, taupe, gray, and brown. These colors evoke a sense of nature and create a calming atmosphere. Organic textures. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, bamboo, linen, and cotton. The beauty lies in the raw textures and imperfections, reflecting the passage of time. Worn elegance. Don't shy away from furniture or objects that show signs of age or wear. Embrace the natural patina as it adds character and reflects the Wabi-Sabi philosophy of impermanence. A touch of nature indoors. Inviting greenery. Incorporate houseplants in various shapes and sizes. Opt for low-maintenance varieties like snake plants, ferns, or bonsai trees. Natural light is key. Maximize natural light with large windows or skylights. Natural light not only brightens the space but also fosters a connection with the outdoors. Calming water features. Optional, a small tabletop fountain or a strategically placed water feature can add a touch of tranquility and the soothing sound of trickling water. Ambience through imperfection. Asymmetrical balance. Move away from perfectly symmetrical layouts. Embrace a sense of asymmetry in furniture placement or artwork arrangements for a more organic and lived-in feel. Imperfect beauty. Imperfections in handcrafted furniture, pottery, or artwork become design elements, adding a touch of authenticity and character. Soft and warm lighting. Opt for soft lighting from lamps with natural materials like woven shades or rice paper. Avoid harsh overhead lights and create a warm and inviting ambience. A Wabi-Sabi living room isn't about achieving perfection but rather embracing beauty in imperfection and finding serenity in the simple things. It's a space that fosters relaxation, reflection, and a deep connection with nature. Cultivate tranquility. Why design your living room in Wabi-Sabi style? The Wabi-Sabi aesthetic offers a refreshing alternative to conventional living room designs. It's more than just an aesthetic, it's a philosophy that celebrates imperfection, natural materials, and finding beauty in the simple things. Here's why you should consider transforming your living room into a Wabi-Sabi haven, a sanctuary of calm. The minimalist approach and focus on natural elements create a space that promotes relaxation and de-stressing after a long day. Embrace imperfections. Unlike other styles that demand flawlessness, Wabi-Sabi encourages you to let go of the pressure for perfection. Embrace the beauty of aged furniture or unique imperfections in handcrafted objects, creating a more personal and lived-in space. Connection with nature. Natural materials like wood, stone, and organic textures bring the outdoors in. This fosters a sense of connection with nature and promotes feelings of well-being. Timeless design. The neutral color palette and focus on natural materials ensure your living room remains elegant and stylish for years to come. Trends may come and go, but Wabi-Sabi's focus on timeless beauty ensures lasting appeal. Budget-friendly potential. Wabi-Sabi encourages upcycling and using what you already own. You can refinish old furniture, incorporate vintage finds, or source natural elements from your surroundings. A Wabi-Sabi living room isn't just about looks. It's about creating a space that reflects your inner peace and fosters a sense of well-being. It's a place to unwind, connect with nature, and appreciate the beauty of imperfection. Finding serenity. Getting started with your Wabi-Sabi living room. The Wabi-Sabi living room beckons you to embrace simplicity, natural materials, and the beauty of imperfection. Here's a guide to get you started on your journey to tranquility. 1. Declutter and embrace minimalism. Start with a clean slate. Begin by decluttering your living room. Donate or sell items you no longer use or that don't spark joy. Aim for a clean and uncluttered space that promotes a sense of calm. Focus on functionality. Reassess your furniture. Keep pieces that serve a purpose and contribute to a comfortable living space. Consider low-profile furniture with clean lines to avoid a visually bulky feel. Display with intention. Curate your display items carefully. Showcase heirlooms, handcrafted pieces, or artwork that resonates with you. Each item should hold meaning and contribute to the overall Wabi-Sabi aesthetic. 2. Celebrate natural materials. Earthy color palette. Opt for a neutral color scheme with muted tones like beige, taupe, gray, and brown. These colors evoke a sense of nature and create a calming atmosphere. Embrace organic textures, introduce natural materials like wood, stone, bamboo, linen, and cotton. Look for furniture with visible wood grains, incorporate woven baskets or throw pillows, and consider a natural fiber rug. Pre-loved furniture with character. Don't shy away from pre-loved furniture. Embrace pieces with a worn patina or slight imperfections. These elements add character and reflect the Wabi-Sabi philosophy of impermanence. 4. Cultivate imperfect beauty. Move away from symmetry. Embrace a sense of asymmetry in furniture placement or artwork arrangements. This creates a more organic and lived-in feel, as opposed to a sterile, perfectly symmetrical layout. Imperfections as design elements. Look for handcrafted furniture, pottery, or artwork with unique imperfections. These imperfections become design elements, adding a touch of authenticity and character. 5. Lighting for ambience. Ditch harsh lighting. Opt for soft lighting from lamps with natural materials like woven shades or rice paper. Avoid harsh overhead lights and create a warm and inviting ambience. Candles for a gentle glow. Strategically placed candles can add a touch of warmth and create a relaxing atmosphere. Especially during evenings. Embrace serenity. Immerse yourself in Wabi-Sabi living room inspiration, craving a living room that exudes tranquility and whispers stories of time-worn beauty. Look no further. This video is your gateway to the world of Wabi-Sabi living room design. Insert video link here. Get ready to be transported to a world of peaceful simplicity. This video showcases a stunning collection of Wabi-Sabi living room designs, from minimalist havens to rustic retreats. Here's why you can't miss it. Spark your Wabi-Sabi vision. Discover a variety of design ideas to suit your taste, whether you crave a light and airy atmosphere or a more organic, nature-inspired look. Learn from the experts. See how professionals create calming spaces with natural materials. Embrace the beauty of imperfection, and incorporate pops of greenery for a touch of life. Find inspiration for any budget. Explore design solutions that demonstrate how to achieve the Wabi-Sabi aesthetic with pre-loved furniture, natural elements, and upcycled pieces. Uncover the secrets to creating a sanctuary. Learn how to design a living room that promotes relaxation, fosters a connection with nature, and becomes a haven for unwinding after a long day. So, ditch the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Watch this video today and start planning your dream Wabi-Sabi living room. Let's transform your space into a haven of peace and tranquility, inspired by the timeless beauty of Wabi-Sabi. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.